Okay, today we are going to review some noodles we got at the Asian market, and we opened the containers so that we could make the noodles, but it was wrapped in this. So this is the brand right here. If you know how to read this, great, but I don't. So me and my twin are doing the review, and she's going first. But I know that it's curry flavor, which I do not like. It's a Japanese yakisoba, and it says it would be done in 3 minutes, but not really. It took me I left it for 6 minutes because the noodles were hard anyway after I put the boiling water. So it's a Japanese stir-fry noodles, curry flavor. Don't like curry, but she likes curry kind of. Go ahead, twin. Okay, how is it? You liked it? Oh, yeah. How does it taste? Like curry? Yeah, it kind of tastes like curry, but it's good. I'm not a curry fan, but I'm glad that you liked it. But I'll taste it. And we're using our fancy chopsticks. Traditional Japanese way of using chopsticks. Okay, so I'll go next. So the noodles look like this. And I'm gonna taste. I'm not a Okay, here we go. Wow, it's actually not too bad. First time looking spot. It's not too bad. What? Your looking all works there. Here's more. Hey, give me something. Oh, not bad, kids. She's gonna try it again. Okay, go ahead and taste it. She's gonna give it a second taste for our final rating. Oh. You can use the fork if you want. What do you think? I'm pretty good. It's pretty good, right? Yeah. Not bad at all. Okay. So thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down, I recommend. Down or up? Down. I mean up. Okay, thumbs up. So out of 1 to 10, what would you rate it? 10 being the best. A 10? Yes. Great. So I would rate it probably, I'm gonna say an 8. Because actually, I don't like curry, but I like the taste. I mean, it wasn't too bad. Too curry taste. It was fine. So that is our review for today. I'm still drinking this. Man, this one I loved. Anyways, see you guys later. Tell us what else you would like for us to review. Peace. Say peace, twin. She's eating.